Hello there, and we're back with the series Study Audio Signal Processing and Audio Technology in Germany without paying any tuition fees and in English language. This time we are going to talk about the department, so the Faculty of Electrical Engineering and Information Technology, which is responsible for the master's degree in media technology, where we have our audio specialization. The Faculty of Electrical Engineering and Information Technology has many different institutes. Here we have many different areas. If we go here to these institutes, and we find here the Institute for Media Technology, where we are going to have the Applied Media Systems, Audiovisual Technology, Electronic Media Technology, Media Production, and User-Centered Analysis and Multimedia Data. So let's start with the Institute for Media Technology itself. You can find some information here in English. Have in mind that the website of the Humanal University of Technology has a new version and an old version, so they're still merging everything into this new version, which is this one here, and this is the old version, and not all the information is available in English, so they're still in the process of translating everything. So the Institute of Media Technology has different groups, and the ones that are more relevant to us are the Applied Media Systems and the Electronic Media Technology. So let's start with the Electronic Media Technology. And here we see that the Electronic Media Technology offers the subjects Advanced Psychoacoustics, Applied and Vertical Acoustics, Audio Systems Technology. So they are all very relevant to the Masters in Media Technology with the specialization in audio, signal processing, audio technology, and psychoacoustics. Back to the groups, another one that is very relevant to our case, which is audio. We have the Applied Media Systems. And the Applied Media Systems is responsible for the subjects audio coding, multirate signal processing, advanced digital signal processing. So we talked about all the subjects in our previous tutorial. And here is another very interesting subject, which is the Project Workshop Machine Learning for Audio Signals in Python, which is intended for bachelor students, but if you want to learn, is also suitable for master students. It's also offered in English, and if you didn't have these topics during your bachelor's and you want to go deeper into machine learning for audio signals, this is a very interesting subject. So we'll talk about neural networks, convolutional neural networks, autoencoders, recurrent neural networks, all mostly related to audio, and also having this bridge between machine learning and signal processing, which is a very interesting view, how we can relate blocks of signal processing with blocks and architectures of machine learning. So it's also available as a subject. So basically those are the two groups where you will encounter most of the subjects related to audio. So let's take a look at the equipment. So those are the laboratories and computer labs of the Institute of Media Technology. So the institute is provided with state-of-the-art technical equipment and offer excellent conditions for research and education. So let's take a look here, for example, at the audio lab. So there's a listening laboratory for acoustic measurement, reproduction, and evaluation of audio. There are different types of loudspeakers, microphones, possible to set up multi-channel speaker setups, microphone arrays. We have dummy heads for measurements, different types of microphones. So it's really well structured, and there's a lot of possibilities for learning and for research. And of course, I encourage you to go through the Institute of Media Technology website and explore all the groups, laboratories available, some student projects, some topics for master theses and research projects that were carried in this institute. Every now and then you also find some job possibilities, so for example for research assistant or from student jobs in research related to some department. So just go through it. So as I mentioned, especially the applied media systems and the electronic media technology are the ones that are more involved in the context of audio. So that's it for today, and I see you next time.